Hey Team 101, in this video I will be analyzing the gold and Bitcoin for 11th May and 12th May and giving up the follow-up what was expected in my weekly prediction. Let's begin. Here we can see that the market breaking has broken the support, as I will show you. The market was making an symmetrical triangle. However, we have recently seen a breakout through it, as I will show you. Wait a minute, let me draw it correctly. Yeah, that's perfect. I always draw my resistance and support in a zone so that I do not caught up any fake breakout. And that's okay. Here we have seen a breakout through the support from here. Now what I'm expecting the market to test the lower channel support, as I will draw it. Now we will draw the channel which the market has been expecting for several months. Here is the upper resistance of the channel, and now I will draw the support or the lower resistance of the channel. Here we can see the market has several times tested the support and resistance and bounces off. Now going back to 1 hourly chart. Now what I am expecting, the market as breaking out the symmetrical triangle. Now what I am expecting, a market to bounce off from this support zone. Thus a long position can be created, and the take profit and stop loss will be as shown. Position can be created somewhat around here. The TP should be just placed around 35, and however the stop loss should be just placed after the support line, after the support zone, so that the market, if fake breakout, thus our support, thus our position isn't affected after the support, after the fake breakout. What I am expecting, the market to bounces off and reach the recent highs, which was 1740. However, we have taken our TP around 1735. This can take several days or up to several weeks also, as the market isn't volatile as it was earlier. Now the second scenario is that the US and China phase 1 deal remains, and the US is looking forward for phase 2 deal, or the Trump, the American president, said any fundamental news which will support or strengthen the dollar. Thus we can see an breakout from this support zone towards downwards. If the candle breakout and closed below the support zone, we can take a sale position or a short position with just a stop loss placed above the support line, something around here. The TP would be updated. Now going on the Bitcoin. Now coming on Bitcoin, we can see that the Bitcoin has recently tested the 50 MA or a 50 simple moving average, which tell us that the simple moving average act as in resistance, and we can see that the market has bounces off. We can see that the sellers come in the market and take the price of Bitcoin lower. We can also see an symmetrical triangle, same pattern what we see in gold, as I will show you. Coming on 4-hourly chart, here we will draw an symmetrical triangle pattern. Okay, the support and the resistance line zone would be something around that. Now going on a lower time frame to see a clear picture, we can see here that the market has fake breakout through the support line and bounces off, gaining the bullish momentum. It has done several times. The market has faked out, then gained the bullish momentum, then again the market has faked out, then again gained the bullish momentum over here, and now recently the market is faking out. Now what I am expecting, in a bullish move, such a buy position can be created some around here. The TP and SL would be as shown. The SL would be just placed here. Yeah, the position can be created over something some around here, around 8,400, and the TP would be just the take profit around the resistance zone. What I am expecting in bullish move, or however, if there is a breakout and a 4-hourly candle closed below the support zone, thus a bearish momentum will generate, and a short position can be created within a stop loss just above the support line. However, the short position should be for a short term, as the Bitcoin halving is in the week ahead, which will explode the Bitcoin price, and the Bitcoin price can skyrocket from there, as it have done in 2012 halving and 2016 halving. The Bitcoin price, as the Bitcoin price has increased significantly. For example, in 2016 the Bitcoin price was below 100,000. However, after the halving, the price skyrocketed from 100,000 to 20,000. Moreover, coming back to the pattern, and short position can also be created at around over here the resistance zone, with a stop loss just placed above 9,230, and the take profit would be around support. Now looking onto the Fibonacci or Fib retracement, we can also see that the price of the Bitcoin is testing the golden ratio, as I will show you. Drawing the Fib from lower to high. Okay, we can see that the price has been testing the golden ratio, which is 0.618. Thus, a bounce off from this also indicate the continuation of bullish trend. Moreover, we can see an trend line support. If any news coming in the favor of Bitcoin or an breakout upwards from here will trigger an long position, in which I am more favorable, or what I am expecting from Bitcoin to do is taking the support of the support line and bouncing off, breaking the resistance and testing the recent highs, which was 10,000 due to the halving. We have three reasons: due to the halving, taking the support of the trend line, and the golden ratio of web retracement. If you do like my analysis, do like, share and comment below, and do consider subscribing. Thanks for watching.